Good morning, students. So today let's start about biotechnology. So recall a little. Some questions are there. Let's solve. What is biotechnology? So biotechnology is the branch of science which deals with the study with the techniques of bringing about improvements in living organism by artificial genetic changes and by hybridization for welfare of human beings. So this is the definition of biotechnology. Second question is that in which various fields the biotechnology has been useful. So biotechnology is useful in agriculture, horticulture, medical field, diagnosis of diseases. So in cash crops, improvement of crops, then diagnosis of diseases or organ transplant, cancer research. So in various fields, biotechnology is useful. Third question is, what is the impact of biotechnology on agriculture and other related fields? So the technique biotechnology is useful for agriculture. So as we have seen about various crops, that means GM crops, genetically modified crops. So these crops are made by using the techniques of biotechnology, which are these crops are very useful. That means they have good resistance power. They have widely spread now in all over the Maharashtra, not only Maharashtra but also in India. And these crops, in these crops, the DNA of these crops are genetically modified. So certain crops are useful. So in this way, in agriculture or the field related to agriculture, biotechnology is useful. Now let's see more about biotechnology. So biotechnology, as we have studied in last class, that is biotechnology is bringing about artificial genetic changes and hybridization in organisms for human welfare. It is not only useful for human welfare but also it is useful for plants and animals also. Various branches of science like cytology. Cytology means the branch of science which deals with the study of cell. Then biochemistry, molecular biology and genetic engineering included in biotechnology. That means all these branches of science, cytology, biochemistry, molecular biology and genetic engineering, all these branches included in biotechnology. There is considerable progress mainly in the fields of agriculture and pharmacy due to biotechnology. New experiments are being performed for improving the agricultural yield. In pharmacy, experiments for production of antibiotics, vitamins and hormones like insulin have been successful. So high class varieties of crops have been developed through the techniques of tissue culture, as we have seen tissue culture last year also and this year also. So in this way, biotechnology is boonful for human being.